Hi, my name is Terry Freeman. I'm the door shop hardware manager for the Charles McMurray Company. And I'm here today to demonstrate the application of the soft close mechanism into our JH100 track. Now, on the JH100 hardware, the difference between the JH100 and the JH111 is that the rollers on the JH100 are 1 inch. And that's the biggest difference. On the JH111, they're 3/4 inch. This track is rated at 200 pounds, and with the soft close, we'll be able to handle up to 175 pounds. As you'll notice, these wheels all are ball bearing rollers. The nylon rollers will carry up to 150 pounds. But on the soft close, you always use, and they're provided with ball bearing rollers. So I will demonstrate how this all goes together. One thing, first of all, you need to know is that on the rollers themselves, the carriers, we call it a tricycle carrier, meaning that there's 3 wheels. There's 2 on one side, 1 on the other. When you're applying soft close, or even if you're just using without the soft close, you want to make sure that when you insert the rollers, you have 2 on the one side of the track and 1 on the same side of the track. And the same will go on the other side, 1 and 2. They always need to be opposite so that they'll roll correctly. So we'll start by inserting the back roller into the track. You want to make sure that your soft close is engaged. Right now in this position, it's not engaged. In order to engage it, you simply slide it into that locked position. Now it's engaged, and what that means is that when it comes to the actuator, it will actually catch and grab and close the door. So now we will slide the soft close mechanism into the track, and lastly we apply the actuator, and that is slid into the track, and it mounts to the bottom of the track, and then you tighten it down. Okay, and then I always like to test it, make sure it closes and engages correctly. It does. Now it's time to apply the plate, which is mounted on top of the door. Apply it to your post. Slides in, and then the clips in place. And then you do the same thing on the back of the door. Slide it in place, rotate, clip, and you're all set to go. Okay, thank you for joining us today as I demonstrated how the soft close works on the JH100 track. And should you have any questions, please call us at Charles McMurray Company. We have people on hand that can explain and answer any questions you might have. And of course, I'm always available should you have any questions as well.